Michigan Folding Doors and Sunrooms specializes in designing and installing new sunrooms, patio enclosures, and folding doors. Have an existing room that's showing its age? We can help with that too. Michigan Folding Doors and Sunrooms specializes in transforming spaces to give your home a fresh, new feel. For this Lakeville Lake home in Leonard, Michigan, we replaced an outdated sunroom with a new solarium featuring solar reflective glass and folding glass doors. The old sunroom was carefully removed and a new insulated subfloor was built to match the home. A temporary barrier kept the house dust-free during construction. Once the frame was up, folding glass doors and solar glass roof panels were installed and sealed to prevent leaks. Trim was painted, beams were finished, and accordion screens were installed with the folding doors. Now this refreshed sunroom is ready to be enjoyed year-round. Follow Michigan Folding Doors and Sunrooms for more inspiration and unfold the possibilities.